guys, happy Planner Wednesday. This spread is from July 15th through the 21st. And what we're going to be doing is the movie Dark Passage starring Humphrey Bogart and Lauren Bacall. It's a really good crime thriller, okay? And this is the paper that I've chosen. This just reminds me of Humphrey Bogart back in that time. And this reminds me actually of the movie with Lauren Bacall's wealth in this movie. She plays like she's very wealthy. And the softness that these curves represent. And I don't know if you can tell, but this is actually silver, not gold. It may be coming out gold on the camera. I'm not sure. And then I've chosen to use this Dollar Tree washi. It just reminds me of like his prison bars where he escaped and everything in the movie. And I made my own stickers. So let's go ahead and take my pages out of my planner. I'm glad everyone enjoyed my How to Steal a Million theme that I did last week. Okay, I've decided to make this paper my dominant paper of the spread. But if you like crime thrillers and you love Humphrey Bogart and Lauren Bacall, you'll love this movie. This is the third of 4 movies that they made together. I just love classic movies. And I really did like this paper. It just, like I said, reminded me of her in the movie. And it reminds me of him, too. I got this paper at Hobby Lobby. Just singles. They had a sale 4 for $1. So I wanted something special for them, so I went there and found that. Okay, let's go ahead and put our paper down like we want it. I think I want it like this. I think this is just going to give a feel for old classic Hollywood. I'm going to turn these facing inward. I think I like that better like that, okay? So let's go ahead and start putting our paper down. But like I said, this is a crime thriller where Humphrey Bogart plays a man that was falsely accused of his wife's murder and imprisoned in San Quentin. And he escapes, and Lauren Bacall was interested in his trial because her father was wrongly accused of murder. And she sees him on the road and picks him up and helps him. And this is all about what they go through. Okay, I really like how that turned out. That gives me the exact feel that I wanted. Okay, so let's go ahead and put this washi down. But like I said, this reminded me of the bars where he'd been in San Quentin for something that he didn't do. And I love Dollar Tree's washi. And I think I will go right down through here like I usually do, because I do believe it finishes off the spread. Oh, I love that. Whenever I see Dollar Tree washi that I like, I just get it, and then I hold it until I find a video that I want to do with it. I love that. That is so pretty, okay? Okay, like I said, I made my own stickers, and Bogart plays Vincent Perry. Like I said, a man that was falsely accused of murdering his wife, okay? And here's where Lauren Bacall has picked him up, and she plays Irene Jansen, okay? Now I'm going to put this right here. But then first, let me put over here, this is what my DVD looks like. I'm going to put that right up here like I do. Okay. And then Agnes Moorehead is in this movie, and she plays Madge. Okay. And then there's this motorist named Baker. All right. So here is... He has to change his identity because his face, everybody is recognizing him, okay? So he goes to see this plastic surgeon that's kind of like one of those back alley plastic surgeons. And he said he never would have done that if it wasn't for the fact, he wouldn't have worked on his face, but he had a nice face, and the cab driver believed he was innocent, okay? And here's what he looked like before his plastic surgery. That is actually Vincent Perry, okay? And it's all in the papers about how he's escaped and everything. So it's really hard for him to do anything or go anywhere, all right? So he has his plastic surgery, and he's going to go spend time at his friend's apartment who knows he's innocent, but someone gets there before he does and kills his friend. So here's Bogart with the bandages on his face, and he has to really take it easy for like 6 weeks. So he has to find somewhere else to stay, and he remembers that he could go back to Irene's. Okay, so I'm going to put this right here. And then here is... He's riding because he can't talk or anything. He's writing down what he can and can't do at Irene's apartment. And then finally, she takes the bandages off. And in the meantime, there's a lot of people coming to her apartment, a lot of intrigue going on, but I don't want to say too much about it. Okay, after his bandages come off, this is what he looks like, and he was made supposedly to look older than he really is. Okay, and they start to fall in love. I'll put that one right there. And then here he is in Madge's apartment, confronting her because he thinks that she's the one that actually killed his friend and his wife and framed him because she loved him, and if she couldn't have Vincent Perry, then no one could. She would put him in jail forever, okay? And like I said, I'm not going to say anything else. There's a lot of twists and turns. There's a lot of intrigue going on during this. A lot of different people trying to get him captured. There's a $5,000 reward for him. So there's a lot going on. Okay, now I'm just going to write a few things that I need to do. All right, let's go ahead and put my pages back inside my planner and we'll take a look at this. But I think you would love this movie. It's really good. And I love to watch them in a movie together. But I really do like how this turned out. I think it gives a good feel for the movie. I love this paper. I love the washi, and I really do love my stickers. Now I went ahead and made this. It's just a big picture of them in the movie. I got it a little crooked on this, but I wanted to put it on this big one piece of paper because I think it really sets the spread off. Now, I've done this many times on my channel. They have little hole punches that you can buy for the Big Happy Planner, which is what I have, but I don't do that. I just flip this over and use one of these sheets to make dots, and then I take my Dollar Tree hole punch, just punch holes, and then just take a pair of scissors and cut in there so that it will fit in my Big Happy Planner. But that's why I didn't show that. I've done it so many times on my videos. I know you know what I do. But I love this. I think this just totally caps off this spread. It is so pretty. Like I said, it gives a wonderful feel for the movie. So if you enjoyed this video, please give it a big thumbs up and subscribe to my channel. Until next time, bye guys.